Okay. So a friend of mine asked me, how do you throw chains on? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. For starters, fucking California sucks. Look at this shit. They're making us fucking put chains on ahorita, right now, with this fucking weather the way it is. Look at this. You see that? It's fucking pavement. Fucking piece of shit. Caltrans? You're fucking idiots. Okay. So, let me try to do this one-handed. This is for you, my friend. See if I can do it. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna put the chain on the floor like this, and you're gonna make sure it's tangled, and you wanna make it easier for you by, let's see if I can do it. Okay, there it is. So, you see this? This part of the chain, this goes on the outside of the tire. You don't want it like this, inside of the tire, because it'll mess up the tire. So, set it on the floor. Okay. And these are the locks, cam locks. And what you want to do is you want to put this on the outside of the tire. So when you put it on the tire, you're going to be able to tie it up. So this is what I'm going to do right now. Fuck, I can't do this right now. Hold on. Let me set this down a little bit and maybe. Okay. Okay, so this is what you want. This is how you're gonna set it up on the tire. You see this? That's on the outside of the tire. And the cam locks are also on the outside of the tire. If you put them inside or between the tires, you're not gonna be able to tie them up. So now, I think I already did the other side. Yeah, I already did. So, you gotta make sure this is like this. You want it on the floor like that. Flat on this side. So when you pull up, the tire will go over the chain, and the chain will go under the tire, and then you'll be able to fucking hook it on the other side. But we'll see. I'll show you right now. I already did pretty much. It requires minimums anyways, but that's what it's gonna look, man. See all these fucking hooks? They're on the outside. So let me pull up. Continue this shit. God damn. You don't want to pull up too much, just enough. You'll see right now. And I see a lot of people using bungee cords. You don't really need them. If you know how to install chains properly, you don't need them. I don't use them. I never use them. I I use them. Some. Oh shit! See, that's not enough. I gotta pull up more. Gotta pull up more. Oh, fuck. Like that. About that much. Let's see. I'd say that's enough. And now, what you want to do is you're going to get this right here. You don't want to hook them up over here. You want to start from like the, I don't know, the second one maybe. Let me try to put the second one in there. So that one went in pretty good. Oh shit, where the fuck is it? Oh, right here. See that? Right there. Don't worry about this. You could put it there somewhere. It's more likely gonna be hitting the trailer, but that's when you could use a bungee cord on the outside. But now you want to get the other side. This, and this, you're gonna try to put it through there, this one or this one. I'm gonna try to go with the farthest one you can. Let's see how it's going through there? That's what she said. There you go. See? We went all the way in. I'm going to put this aside. And then there's the hook right here. I'm going to hook it over here. Just like so. You see that? That's how it goes. Always coming from this side like that. Alright? So that's pretty much it, man. Then you're gonna grab your cam locks and you're gonna tie them up. You're gonna start with the ones at the bottom first. That way it makes it easier for you. Look at it. There you go. Then you wanna do the other one. Yeah. There you go. And this one, oh, I'm motherfucker's tight. So, that's it, man. I've been putting chains like that for a while. Never had a problem with that. That's what you're gonna do with all the chains you put in the truck. And then you're gonna drive for I don't know, a mile or two. And then you wanna get out and double check them, make sure they're not coming loose. And that's it, man. That's it. That's all there is to it. And then, see, like this shit starts hitting the trailer, or like that. Okay. That's when you can use a bungee cord right here, and you can hook it over there to either fucking here or whatever. That way it holds it in place, and it's not fucking dangling out. Anyways, that was it. Like this video. Share, subscribe with your fellow truckers. It might help somebody that don't know, man. You never know. Alright, I'm gonna get to this shit. Because to begin with, this fucking mierda is fucking ridiculous. Look at this. Look at this. It's fucking sprinkling. And this motherfuckers has you know, they have us fucking chaining up. God damn it, man. That's how the fucking chain's breaking. Bullshit. It's bullshit. It's complete bullshit. Alright. We'll end that there. Bye-bye.